Monet was a painter who is celebrated as being the founder of the French Impressionist movement. In a lifelong career, Monet is perhaps best known for his series of water lilies paintings that consumed more than 20 years of his professionally creative life. But there is much more to this genius artist than the water lilies that we have come to know and love. Are you ready to learn more about the founding father of Impressionism?
Water lilies is not a name of a single painting, but a name of a series of works. The first series of water lilies, a total of 25 canvases, was exhibited at the Galerie de Randouille in 1900. This was followed 9 years later by a second series of 48 canvases. These landscapes of water and reflection have become an obsession, wrote Monet on August 11, 1908. This is beyond the strength of an old man, and yet I want to express what I feel. I have destroyed some of the canvases. I begin once again. I hope something will come of all this effort. In 1955, the Museum of Modern Art became the first museum in the United States to acquire one of the large-scale panels. Since then, the water lilies have held a cherished position in the museum, affirming Monet's conviction that art can provide a respite from an increasingly urban, commercialized, and technological world.
Claude Monet. Born in Paris, France on November 14, 1840. Let's take a look at 15 things you didn't know about Claude Monet. Number 1. He served in the military because he refused to give up painting. Number 2. He was a founding father of the Impressionist art movement. Number 3. He liked to paint the same subject many times. Number 5. The highest price paid for a Monet painting is $81.4 million.